Hello, my dear viewers. This is Kiki and Fam, and of course, I am Kiki. We went for a picnic with my relatives and my family, and the place was literally the best, but also it was also crowded, as you can see here. As it was the first day of 2025, everyone went for a picnic with the dear ones, and of course, like us, we went in groups and in separate vehicles. Well, for the food, it was already prepared by my dad's aunt and her family, so we went there and ate the food and enjoyed the scenery, of course. My beautiful mom showing the delicious chicken. Before reaching Rani Khamar, our destination, we took the wrong turn on the road. We were so confused at first as the place was so crowded. But as soon as we knew that we made the wrong turn on the way, we tried to find an exit through this crowded place. I think they had some festivals or something. And I don't know why, I'm just thinking about selling those bikes in my thought. But anyways, that is just a dream and will always be a dream. And after we reached our destination, we took a few pictures. By few I mean maximum. Well, my parents love to take pictures. After we were done with the horse riding, we went to take more pictures and we went for boating.
Khasi kalau alok sao. Ah?
Lawan. Hai sini kon. Hai sini kan. Em khi ông đã lịch năng này là chắc là cái này là liếng á.
Em tak lịch năng này thì chỉ cầm đơn brêu thay. Năng teh em lịch bên sạch lao. Fire station dulu gue. Kesendiri macam kayaknya. Hai satu.
Here my sister and my dad were cleaning their slippers and their feet before leaving.
Terus tanya dan aku Assam apa kau siapa jakain tuh?
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.